All right, guys, let's talk about this new SEO writing tool, Rytr. It's an AI tool that you can use to help with your writing. So we're going to talk about some different use cases, some pros, some cons, why you should use this, why you shouldn't use it, and then I'm going to give you a really cool alternative for SEO writing. So let's just dive into this. We have the pros and cons that we're going to dive into so you know kind of the ins and outs of this tool. First and foremost, the price is pretty low for any of these tools. It is a very, very low price. There's a pretty good free tier, and then the paid plan, you get more features, more benefits. But like anything, you get what you pay for. So just because it is a low price and they have a very robust free plan, it doesn't mean that it's the greatest tool in the world. So we're going to talk a little bit more about that. It's really good. Where this shines is with like short form writing, like ads, emails, captions, descriptions. It does a really good job with that. So if you do a lot of short form writing, this could be helpful. There's some pretty good built-in extras like plagiarism check, Chrome extension, things like that. So there is some bonus extras there for you as well. It's very, very easy to use. Probably one of the simpler platforms to use that's out there. Very little learning curve, so you can get started out of the box, right away. There's 40 plus templates and use cases. Plus, you can add a custom tone. If you upgrade to the paid version, you can do a custom tone to match your tone, voice, your brand voice, all that things, and teach it how to write how you want it to write. And there's really good editing tools built in here, so you can rewrite, improve, expand, shine for polishing your drafts. So those are the pros. Now let's dive into some of the cons. The cons are really kind of aligned with the longer form content and SEO content. So it's very weak when it comes to long form. It loses the thread on long articles, gets repetitive, and it needs heavy editing. So it's not as automated, and it takes a lot more work, which kind of defeats the purpose. There are basic SEO tools, but it really lacks a lot of strong SEO tools that you need to use if you're doing writing and you're doing content for SEO to get traffic and to rank. It really lacks in that regard. So there's no format. So it generates raw text. There's no formatting. You can't do like a structured article for like SEO. There's no links or images or things like that. So it's going to become a lot more manual if you're trying to write for blogs or for SEO. Shallow depth, surface level output, struggles with technical or research heavy topics. No live research, can't pull current facts or verify claims. The writer's not a researcher, so that's problematic. So you can't really trust the output. And then content slips, so it can wander off topic. Output flags as AI without manual cleanup. So yeah, not very good in terms of that writing aspect, especially if you're trying to publish stuff that's going to get de-indexed by Google. That's very heavy. Clearly AI that's not adding value and that's not structured the right way. It's going to get flagged. So that's Rytr's review here. But if you're wanting to use a tool that's better than Rytr, that basically hits on all the cons that this thing has, Arvow does really well. So if you're looking for a tool specifically to write for SEO and to use it as the SEO tool, Arvow is the place to go. Fantastic tool, does amazing SEO writing, structured writing that doesn't get flagged or de-indexed because it's adding in your own brand assets. It's adding in links and external links and trusted sources. So it's doing all the things that Rytr doesn't do. So you can do SEO articles with targeting a keyword. It'll add a title, or you can do your own title. You can do trending news topic articles. You can do articles from YouTube videos. And the nice thing about this is that you can configure this to your brand. So like I said, you can choose the language, you can choose the knowledge base that gives it more information, like your website, training documents. You can format it specific ways. You can structure it. You can add your sitemap so it links all your pages together to get that link juice. It'll also add external links, images. You can have it create your own or use your own, or it'll create one for you. A video, it'll embed a YouTube video, or you can do your own YouTube. So really awesome platform. You can do templates too to interject variables into your articles to make them more customized. So I've done videos about that before. I'm not going to do that in this video. So it's highly customizable, which is nice. You can set this up on an auto blog, so basically very easy. You can give it a feed to pull from, like a keyword feed, a news feed, an RSS feed, or a YouTube channel feed. So you create that feed, and then basically you set up your auto blog using the feed, and then it generates the article, and then it publishes the article to your website. So you can integrate with any website, which is really, really helpful to be able to integrate with WordPress site or wherever you want to set up that integration. You can definitely do that. So if we go in here at integrations, you can integrate this way. They also have an API which you can use with Claude or Codex to generate articles, which is really cool. It's more advanced. Site Optimizer, you can have it analyze your whole site. It'll tell you what you have, what to fix, why to fix it, and then give you an apply button. And you can also select them all and apply all these changes at once. It does meta descriptions, chronological URLs, image alt text. So in a couple minutes, you can basically audit and fix your entire website. You can get automatic backlinks. This is really awesome. One of the better features of this, all your backlinks go into this pool of all the users that are part of this program. There's thousands and thousands of users. When someone generates an article, it looks at all the links, finds the relevant links, embeds them in the article. Automatic backlinks. So it does it for you and other users. Most users get 1 to 5 backlinks per day, high quality DR backlinks. So that's really awesome. That's completely automated. The other thing, LLM Brand Monitor. It'll monitor your brand, how you're showing up across LLMs, and visibility and sentiment. So it automatically put in prompts here for you, or you can add your own. And then you can see the sentiment and visibility and then focus on improving that. The easiest way is to then create content using Arvow to focus on these prompts to then improve the visibility. So really, really helpful there. Site Explorer, you can go in here and analyze any sites, traffic, web pages, all the things, see where they're getting their traffic from. So this is good for your site, also for competitors. So that's it. Those are the bells and whistles. If I go back here, I didn't actually show you an article, but we can kind of check out the article. Here's an example of articles that were created. This is kind of like all over the place. But we can kind of see, if you open this up, you can see the structure. So this is what I was talking about. It gives it all the internal structure, meta description, alt text, H2s, H3s, internal links, external links, YouTube video, all the things that AI and Google is looking for to be able to rank your article, index your article. Then you can revise these articles with the AI and fix and update anything you want if you want to do that. A lot of flexibility here. There's an AI assistant as well. So in just a couple of steps, you can tweak this or not. Most of these are really good out of the box. And then you just pop them over to your website and publish them. And then sit back and watch your traffic grow, watch your ranking grow. Most of the businesses that we're using this, well, all the businesses that we have using this, the traffic and the rank is slowly increasing. Some of them have grown by leaps and bounds. So really cool tool. The link is below if you want to try this out, but that is kind of the differences between Arvow and Rytr and why Arvow is better. Hopefully that helps you out. Check out this other video on SEO and automation. I'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you guys.